I had a strong upbringing in social justice. I went to Jesuit school, and my parents were really active in volunteering and caring for people, so that's always been something that's been really important in my life.
Emily is fairly new to our firm, but she's not new to litigation. Emily had a career doing defense work before she ever came to us, so Emily knows how the defense sees our cases, how they try to spot weaknesses or holes in our cases. And because of that, now that Emily is here, she can help us understand how the defense views our cases in order that we can make them stronger and better.
If I had to describe what I bring to the table, it would be a caring, empathetic, and knowledgeable skill set.
Emily brings energy to everything she does. She is so committed to advancing our client's case, both qualitatively and quantitatively. Emily rocks.